Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to center the copyright in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click Online Store. Just click it. The themes page opens. Go to your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. The theme files page opens. In Filter Files, search for base.css. A file named base.css will appear. Click it to open your store's style script. This contains all your store's appearance code. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. So just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, press enter. Next, we'll visit the hosttube.net website. The link is in the description. Here's the code we'll use. We're going to click the copy button. Let's click it. It'll copy our script. Back in Shopify, paste the code in the blank line. After pasting, look for the save button at the top right. After clicking, the changes are saved successfully. Now, if you scroll down your store, the footer copyright is centered. I hope this video helped. Goodbye.